Replacing your home's windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. For Rowlett residents, who experience hot summers, unpredictable storms, and the occasional winter freeze, new windows can make a dramatic difference. However, window replacement is a major investment, and common mistakes can lead to higher costs, poor performance, and long-term frustration. To help you get the most out of your project, here are the top window replacement mistakes Rowlett homeowners should avoid, and how to make sure you choose the right windows, installation team, and process for your home. Choosing the wrong window style for your home. Not all window styles perform the same, and choosing purely based on appearance can lead to problems later. For example, slider windows offer great airflow but may not be ideal in tight spaces. Picture windows provide beautiful views but don't open for ventilation. Double-hung windows are versatile but may not seal as tightly as casement windows. Smart tip: consider your home's layout, ventilation needs, and energy goals before selecting a window style. A professional can help match the right window type to each room. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Rowlett's climate demands windows that can handle heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Choosing windows without proper energy ratings may lead to higher cooling costs and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. Look for windows with low E coatings to reflect heat. Double or triple pane glassed argon gas fills for extra insulation. Energy Star certification. High U factor and low SHGC ratings. These features help protect your home from Texas heat and keep energy bills under control. Overlooking the importance of professional installation. Even the most advanced, high-quality windows won't perform well if they're installed improperly. De-installation or hiring inexperienced installers can lead to drafts, water leaks, poor insulation, window misalignment, premature seal failure. Smart tip: choose a licensed, experienced installation team familiar with Rowlett's local climate and building standards. Failing to address rotten or damaged frames. Some homeowners replace windows without inspecting the surrounding frame or wall. If there is hidden rot, moisture damage, or structural issues, the problem will only get worse after installation. Improperly repaired frames can cause air leakage, water infiltration, reduced window lifespan, mold growth inside the wall. A professional installer will inspect the frame before installation and make necessary repairs to ensure a durable, long-lasting result. Selecting windows based on price alone. Choosing the cheapest option may lead to higher long-term costs. Low-cost windows often lack quality materials, efficient glazing, or durable construction. Resulting issues include shorter lifespan, poor insulation, frequent repairs, higher utility bills. Instead, look for the best value windows that offer durability, energy efficiency, and reliable warranties. Forgetting about maintenance needs. Some window materials require more upkeep than others. Wood windows, for example, offer timeless beauty but need regular painting and sealing. Vinyl and fiberglass require far less maintenance. Smart tip: choose a material that fits your lifestyle and the Rowlett climate. Low-maintenance materials tend to perform better in Texas heat and humidity. Not considering your home's curb appeal. Windows affect both the inside and outside of your home. Choosing mismatched styles, colors, or shapes can disrupt your home's aesthetics and lower its resale appeal. Smart tip: select a design that complements your home's architecture and blends well with neighboring homes in Rowlett's communities. Overlooking local climate and weather conditions. Rowlett's location on Lake Ray Hubbard means homes experience strong winds, storms, and high humidity. Windows should be chosen with this climate in mind. Impact-resistant glass or stronger frame materials may be worth the investment for long-term protection and durability. Final thoughts: window replacement is an excellent way to improve comfort, efficiency, and value in your Rowlett home, but only when done correctly. By avoiding common mistakes like choosing the wrong window, neglecting frame damage, or cutting corners on installation, you'll ensure your investment delivers lasting benefits.